Now we move to exercise 5, and here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with this image, this image, this image, and get this result. I know it's similar to what we previously did, but this time we're gonna use a new tool, which is the pen tool. I want you to get familiar with this tool by doing this exercise. So file, open, we go to exercise 5, we select these 3 files and click on open. Okay, first thing we're gonna need to select the Nike logo, but this time using this tool, the pen tool, instead of the others. So first thing, we need to draw a path. By using this tool, we start by clicking here, we click, we go here, we click and maintain, and we create an arc just like this. We make it fit the logo, and then next point we go here and click. Now we need to click on Alt, and you can see there's a change in the cursor. Now we need to close the angle, click on Alt and then click. Now the angle is closed. We can continue drawing our path, click again, click and maintain, create the angle just like this. Before it was a straight line, now you need to change the shape of the path a little bit and go to the starting point and arc it just like this. Now we have our path. We can still change the path. We can modify the path by clicking Control. You can change the position of the path. You can double click on this point and move it around. You can change the angle by pressing this point, and of course you can do the same here or anywhere. Just click on Control, press the button, and apply your changes. Now we have our path. What do we do? Right click and choose Make Selection, and then click on OK. Now the path turned into a selection. We use the Move tool. We go from File 2 to File 1, drag and drop, just like this. Control T. We need to reduce the size of the Nike logo and put it right here. It doesn't have to be perfect, I just want you to get familiar with the tool. We can close the File 2, and now let's focus on the Apple logo. Same tool, the pen tool, can start here. Click, we click and make the angle just like this. Click again, click again. You can press space and change the point whatever you want. If you didn't put it in the right spot in the beginning, you can always modify it with the space button. Put it right here, another point here, another point here, another point here. If you make a mistake, for example like this, you can always Control Z and go back. For this, we need to close the angle by clicking Alt, and then pressing, you can see there's the cursor changes. Press Alt, click. The angle is closed now. There are no curves. We can start from there and just like that. Another point. Another point. We can modify it later. We can make it better. And another point right here. We need to close the angle right here. Alt. And the last point. Just like that. Now right click, make selection, and click on OK. Now this part is completely selected. We need to add this part. We leave the selection right there and we create new path from here to here. Then Alt, close the angle just like this, and close the path right here. Doesn't have to be perfect. As I said, I just want you to practice. Then right click, make selection, and choose add to selection. Okay, not new selection, add to selection, and then click OK. Now we have this selection and this selection at the same time. Click on the move tool, take it from here to here, drag and drop just like that, and now we have the Apple logo just right here. Control T, change the size and put it right here. Now the exercise is finished. You go do the same exercise and don't forget to save.